Welcome to Lesson 3 of Module 4, Practice and Best Techniques to Use. In this lesson, you'll learn just how important practice really is, and you'll see examples of incorrect techniques to avoid. Let's get started. Plasma fibroblast is a powerful treatment, but it's not magic. If your technique isn't right, it can lead to serious problems like pitting, scarring, infections, and permanent pigment changes. And here's the truth. It costs more time and money to fix a bad result than it does to do it right the first time. So please don't rush. Your reputation is far more valuable than a quick buck. Before working on real clients, you should feel completely confident using the 5-dot method, the random dot method, and the combo method. We'll break each of these down in Module 5 step by step. But for now, just remember, technique matters. Start by practicing on fruit or meat, then move on to friends or family before accepting paying clients. When I started, I treated over 40 people totally for free. I only charged them for the consumables used, which gave me confidence, experience, and a solid portfolio to attract future paying clients. So take your time, keep practicing. Your patience and persistence will pay off in the long run. Now let's go over the rules you should never skip. First, preparation and aftercare are essential. Second, set realistic expectations with your clients. Explain clearly that this is not a facelift. Everyone's skin reacts differently. Some may need more than one session. Third, never overpromise. Instead, educate your clients. Inform them what this treatment can realistically do, such as improving the skin texture and glow, stimulating collagen growth, and slowing the signs of aging. Any visible skin tightening should be considered as a bonus, not a guarantee. I always tell my clients, let's see how your skin responds, and if needed, we can do a second session. And yes, I offer a reduced price follow-up within 4 months if needed. Clients appreciate that honesty, and it builds real trust. Now let's review some common mistakes and what causes them. In Figure 1, missed areas. The technician only treated around her client's crow lines. It's better to also fill the gaps in between for better results. In Figure 2, we can see burned dots, which were caused by holding the arc too long or the energy was set too high. Never exceed the 2-second rule and always set your device on a lower setting, especially when you are just starting out. In Figure 3, no mapping was used. Random placement causes inconsistent results. Figure 4, burned dots again. Arc too strong or held too long on same spot. In Figure 5, we can see incorrect spacing. Dots too far apart will give poor results, and when placed too close, possible merging of scabs, and will result in excessive trauma. Figure 6, you could see burn and spacing issues combined. The arc was held too long and the dots were placed too close together. In Figure 7, we can see, yet again, no mapping was used. Poor planning leads to uneven results. And in the last figure, we can see hypopigmentation, a good example of scarring and pigment loss, which occurred 12 weeks after the treatment due to incorrect technique used. Always remember to treat every client individually. Adjust your approach based on their skin type, their level of sagging, and the depth of their lines. Let's recap what you've learned in this lesson. You need to practice, which is essential to build your confidence and precision. You should always use proven methods, no shortcuts. To always be honest with your clients. To treat each person as an individual. And lastly, learn from common mistakes before they become yours. Before moving on, make sure to download your PDF of this lesson and complete the knowledge check for Lesson 3. Well done! You are ready to move on to Module 5, Lesson 1, where you'll learn how to properly hold and use your device, and how to apply mapping techniques for consistent, safe treatments. I'll see you there. If these videos help you, please consider supporting the channel. Your contributions keep me going. Check out my in-depth Plasma Fibroblast Study Manual Book 6. This ebook is packed with detailed guidance you'll be able to reference anytime throughout your practice. Link in the post description. Thank you so much for your support. It truly means everything. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. See you in the next lesson.